how to design a secure and auditable IT offboarding framework for MSPs. Offboarding is one of the most critical parts of IT operations. However, it is also one of the most often overlooked aspects. For MSPs, inconsistent IT offboarding can lead to lingering access, compliance gaps, and security risks. In this video, we'll break down how to design a secure, auditable offboarding framework that scales across clients. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding the IT offboarding lifecycle. A strong offboarding framework follows a clear lifecycle. While details vary by client, the core stages remain the same: initiation, access revocation, device recovery, knowledge handoff, license reallocation, and audit closure. Offboarding typically begins with HR, a PSA workflow, or a service request notifying IT of a departure. From there, every step should be tracked and validated before the process is considered complete. Best practices for creating an IT offboarding framework. When creating an IT offboarding framework, there are some practices you can consider to minimize challenges in your offboarding process. This chapter discusses the best practices to include for a more efficient framework. Automate access revocation and validation. Access termination is the most time-sensitive stage. User accounts, MFA tokens, VPN access, and SaaS permissions should be disabled immediately after confirmation. Automation via PowerShell, identity tools, or RMM workflows reduces human error and ensures consistent execution. For example, Azure AD scripts can disable accounts and verify their status in seconds, creating both speed and auditability. Secure devices and preserve data. Next, handle physical assets and data. Company-owned devices should be collected, wiped, and logged for redeployment or disposal. At the same time, business data must be archived or reassigned, such as email inboxes, Teams ownership, and shared project files. This prevents data loss while maintaining inventory and licensing accuracy. Capture knowledge and operational memory. Outgoing employees often hold critical knowledge. Without a structured handoff, MSPs risk service disruption. Automating mailbox archiving and shared storage helps, but pairing this with short knowledge transfer sessions or recorded walkthroughs adds significant value. Centralized documentation ensures continuity after departure. Enforce governance with ticketing and audit logs. Auditability separates a checklist from a true framework. Each offboarding step should generate logs tied to a PSA or RMM ticket. Devices, access changes, scripts, and approvals must be traceable for compliance reviews, client reporting, and dispute resolution. A secure and auditable IT offboarding framework protects client data, reduces risk, and improves operational efficiency. By combining automation, documentation, and RMM-driven visibility, MSPs can turn offboarding into a scalable and compliant service. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to design a secure and auditable IT offboarding framework for MSPs, linked in the description below.